All right, so we need 3 sticks. You got 3? Okay, and I'm gonna use string to put them together. I'll show you right now. That's what it should look like so far. So far we have this. Next step is we're gonna put that one, that other stick, and put it right across. So we're gonna make kind of like a star. Okay, use the string. The next step, we grab the string, we wrap that around this stick, and we're gonna bring it down to that one, and then we're gonna connect that one to this one to this one, and so on. We're gonna make a circle. All right, so far this is what it should look like. You guys follow me? I'm gonna do the same. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. All right, so now we got that done. On to the next step. Next step is we gotta open up these bags, cut them open as wide as we can. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Didn't come out perfect because you guys see that crease right there, but it'll work. You could also do different bags, like different colors. You could do like a different color on the bottom, different top, or the sides. But we'll keep it basic this time. All right, so I use this greenish looking bag. I made these long strips of plastic, and then I'm gonna put them on the sides. It'll just look cool when it's flying. So this should look like from here to here, and it touches down to the middle over here. Okay, so from that V shape, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the bottom, from here up to, and then tie it right there. All right, so now we gotta do the steering. So we're gonna poke 2 little holes, one here, then one here. Here, we're gonna do the same on the other one. So you got your 2 holes right there. Next thing, you're gonna tie the string right here, and then we're gonna bring it down to about here, and then from here, we're gonna bring it back up to this one. All right, so far we have this. So this is the top part of your kite, and this is gonna be the bottom part of your kite. On the bottom part, we're gonna put a tail. The tail is so it can hold the weight, and so your kite's not just flapping like that. It has to stay like that so the wind can make it fly. All right, so now it's time to build the tail, and all you gotta do is grab this bag and fold it long ways. Like this, you don't have to fold it, you just have to put it like that, like a long stick type of thing, and then you're gonna cut it in small sections. All right, it's about an inch and a half, no more than inch and a half, and you should be fine. All right, so far this is what we have. I'm working on the tail. So cut a piece of line about 6-7 feet long, and then you can start tying up those little pieces of plastic that we cut so along the tail. So this is what it looks like. There's the tail. All right, so this is what I did. Put the line through it, tie it up. Now I have this line. Now I'm gonna grab this other one. I'm gonna tie them where they meet. We'll make a triangle. All right, so this is what it's supposed to look like. You guys see the triangle? And this is the most important step, because this is gonna determine if your kite's gonna fly straight, it's gonna go to one side, and then you just have to adjust it. So this one's ready to go. Dude, can you wait? Look at him, he's already flying it. We just got here. Wow. Well, the kite works. We got another one here. Look, this one wants to take off too. Look, I'm holding it with my finger. Damn, we didn't even have to make no adjustments. Kites are flying. Look at that. Okay, reel it in. There we go. Back. Yeah. This is making a lemonade out of lemons. The kite got stuck.